My topic is renal function test. The renal function test is the whole things is urine analysis of blood, renal clearance test, radiological renal images, and renal biopsies. These topics is five questions. The urine analysis is the further divided in the volume, color, osmolarity, specificity, pH, chemical analysis, and microscopically bacteriological examination. The urine analysis, the volume is average 800 ml per day. If low, if hypo, if 300 ml or less is called anuria, hyponuria and hyperuria. Okay. The color is pale yellow. Osmolarity is specific 1.0812 is average normal. The pH is acidic pH, average 4 to 6. The chemical analysis and microscopic and bacteriological examinations. The renal clearance test is called inulin test, creatinine clearance test, urea clearance test. The renal clearance test is main motto is measurement of GFR. The GFR, the inulin test is no absorbed and no secreted. The secretion absorption ratio is equal. Creatinine is more than and urea is more than. Renal biopsies and renal radiology or renal images. Renal images is X-ray, IVP, intravenous pyelogram, CT scan or sonography USC. The X-ray is normal to find out stone, any tumor. IVP is the functional kidney, right, left, obstruction, stone, impacted stone. The CT scan is identified for any tumor mass, abdomen mass, renal mass, any other. The sonography USG also is similar. What is the renal biopsy? Renal biopsy is the last unknown cause for the proteinuria. And the test for tubular function. The first is the urine concentration test, urine dilution test, urea acidification test, and tubular secretory capacities. There is the measure of all things. The renal function test are carried for analysis of volume. The volume per day volume is 800 milligram to 2000 ml per day. If is the more than is called polyuria, if less than is oliguria, and less than 300 ml per day is called anuria. The second is the color. The color is the light pale yellow. Is due to present of urochrome pigments. In pathological conditions, the brown yellow color is present in bilirubin. The cloudy color is called alkaline urea. The frothy color, red color, etc. The osmolarity and specific gravity. The osmolarity is the 1.018 is normal. In more than water is present is called is more osmolarity and less osmolarity. Urine pH is 4.5 to 8 is acidic.
The chemical analysis of the abnormal urine concentration is proteinuria, glycosuria, ketonuria, bilirubinuria, hemoglobinuria, and polyprofiluria, etc. The microscopic examination is identified for the cast cells, crystals, etc. The cast cell is the coagulation of the Thomson-Hodgkin's protein, which present in renal tubules, the was in the tubular fluids. The cylindrical broken ends is called is the cast cell. The cast cell is the various types is red cell cast, leukocytic cast, epithelial cast, etc. The crystals is the normally is present in normal urine. They are not pathological significant. The cells is present in RBC, WBC, leukocytes, etc. The bacteriological examination, some bacteriuria is present is called bacteriuria. The urine analysis of blood. Analysis of blood is called blood urea, plasma creatinine levels, serum protein level, etc. are identified for examination. The renal clearance test. The renal clearance test is the main examination of GFR. The GFR is glomerular function. The inulin test, creatinine test, urea test.